Mario, fantastic game to watch, so close. What made the difference?
I think we started off slow in the second half, first half, like in many games so far. But I think beginning of second half, third quarter especially, we kind of came out of the locker room and we knew we had to step it up on defense. So I think we did a pretty good job on that. I think we kept them in 8 or 10 points in the third quarter. And I mean, from great defense comes great offense, easy points in transition. We hit some open shots and we kind of came back and made a little separation.
What's the difference between winning a game safely and winning a game like this?
I mean, of course, you always want to win a game. You don't want to go down the stretch, but I think we showed character in the second half. You know, we fought, we never gave up. So kinda it rewarded us for that. So
Thank you very much and congratulations.
yeah, thank you.